Still making videos every day to show you all the different new products. This is Mind Over Matter. You take control of your mind. You can solve things. So this is a mini kit. This would be great to carry in your purse, your briefcase, when you travel. Simple. Okay. So in it, it has peppermint. So this kit is good if you've had a tense day and you need to just let go at the end of the day. This kit is good for your head, neck, and shoulders. So you can use peppermint here. The same with migraine, M grain. Another you can put on your head, your neck, or your shoulders. And deep relief. Another one good for head, neck, and shoulders. Really, these can be used in many different places, but they're really focused on when you've had a kind of a stressful day and all this area is kind of tight, just normal tightness, and you want to kind of release that. There's a little booklet. And it explains about M grain that has basil and marjoram, which has been used to help give comfort and soothe. It helps to release tension, and it suggests that the M grain, that you mix it with coconut oil or olive oil and just put it on your head or your neck at the end of a stressful day. You could, any of these three, you could put some in your palm and then just breathe in deeply for kind of a calming, relaxing smell. You can use these while you're working or studying. You can apply to your temples to help soothe. So, I see. It has a page for each one. Deep Relief is made with peppermint, lemon, grand fir, clove, wintergreen, helichrysum, vetiver, balsam, copaiba, dorado, azu, and that. So the Deep Relief is to give yourself a massage on your neck, your shoulders, or anywhere you need some cool relief. You can breathe it in. Helps to motivate. If you have fatigued muscles after physical activity, you can put that on for a cooling feeling, and you can diffuse it. So that's Deep Relief. That's M grain. I love this book because you'll be able to read it if you forget what each of the essential oils are for. And then the last one is peppermint. It can be really used for many things, but they're suggesting you can diffuse it, you can inhale it. It gives you a cool sensation on the skin. So diffuse it to help you focus or feel more energy, or when you're studying. You can mix it with coconut oil or olive oil to massage on tired areas. You can just inhale it. I use peppermint in my diffuser in the afternoon to kind of wake me up, to help me keep going for the day. But the other cool thing that you get, so you get this little kit, mind over matter. So really, it's talking about how to release tension. You get this. This is a reflexology ring. So, oops. It jumps. You put it on your, so they have a picture in the kit. The different parts, the organs of the body, how they relate to all the different fingers. And you just roll it. You just roll it up and down. For the specific areas. So they have pictures saying that the thumb is for the thyroid, the tip is the pituitary gland, this part is for your eyes and ears, this part for your neck, this for your head, brain, and sinus. And then another friend was talking about acupressure ring, how each finger has a unique pressure point. This is from Chinese medicine and philosophy, and talked about the thumb being for the lungs, chest area. The index finger is the life force energy related to the abdomen and digestion. The middle finger is the pericardium, the mid-back, the upper back, the thorax, the whole rib cage area. I have little notes here. The ring finger has 3 different energy areas. I think one part is for the eye, nose, and throat. One part is for the lungs, the heart, and the diaphragm. And the last part is for the stomach. And then the pinky relates to the small intestine, the heart, and the pinky. This is from, again, Chinese medicine. You can do your own research. Is also related to the points related to anxiety and depression. So you could just roll this. Again, all of these are for just a stressful day. What do you do to release that tension? So that's the mini kit, Mind Over Matter, releasing stress with the ring and 3 essential oils, deep relief, and you're getting a full bottle, so it's really nice. M grain and peppermint. So I'll post more information in the comments. Again, if you're curious about these products or want to know how you can get them, just private message me leave me a comment. I can help you get the products that you want using my member number. Just let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.